Punjab and Haryana High Court has said that tractor trolleys cannot be used on highways as per the Motor Vehicle Act. Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology Rajiv Chandrasekhar has said that the government will come up with a draft regulatory framework for artificial intelligence by July this year. The government has urged agitating farmers to maintain peace amid their continued protests and rejection of its proposal over the minimum support price for crops. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold bilateral talks with his Greece counterpart Kyriakos Mitsotakis in New Delhi this afternoon. The 17th editions of the Indian Premier League will begin on March 22nd.